process of nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus in water bodies. The enrichment of the nutrients, it leads to effect of water bodies. It leads to effect of water bodies because of the this phosphorus and nitrogen type of molecules. So these are the phosphorus and nitrogen molecules. So suppose this is a lake or pond. You think, imagine. So the wastewater, agriculture, chemical-based agriculture water and industrial wastewater, when it flows into the lake or pond, there is the accumulation of these phosphorus nitrogen ions. So it leads to consequence. So phosphorus and nitrogen when increasing, the concentration is increasing. Listen here carefully. Very simple, but there is a consequence. When phosphorus and nitrogen concentration is increasing, we call it as a enrichment of this type of nutrients. We call it the eutrophication. But eutrophication is not good for environment. When phosphorus and nitrogen is increasing, then what will happen? When this type of the phenomena is take place, phosphorus and nitrogen is increasing in the ponds, lakes and a large type of the water bodies. Because of increasing this phosphorus and nitrogen, increasing the algal bloom formation, algal formation, increasing the algae. Because this is a enriched very nutrients. So on this nutrient, this algal takes growth. So completely this one, it became as a like a on the surface of this water body, there is a distribution of the algae, the floating of algae. This layer we call as a algae. So the completely lack of sunlight. So it leads to under the water there are some organisms are there. So slowly these organisms, the phytoplanktons are there, plants are there under the water. So this algae when takes growth here, like the algae is when it takes growth, this one is the algae. Here the bottom, the plants and other planktons are slowly decomposed. It leads to decomposition. So this one leads to increasing the bacteria, because bacteria are feeding this decomposed material, so increasing the bacteria. When bacteria is increasing, here there is no place. So algae is increasing, simultaneously decomposition process is initiated, simultaneously bacteria concentration is also increasing. It leads to the decreasing of oxygen percentage, and as well as increasing the carbon dioxide percentage in the same water body here. So there is a consequence. First, what will happen? Because of this wastewater, sewage water, wastewater, because of this chemical agriculture water, because of this industrial wastewater, the flowing into this water body, the water which is not treated, primary and secondary, that is the treatment is not happening. So water will move into this lakes and ponds. The phosphorus and nitrogen nutrients are increasing. This increasing nutrients we call as the eutrophication. So when it phosphorus and nitrogen is increasing, algae formation takes place. Algae growth takes place. So algae rapidly grow. So there is no place on the surface. Completely algae is occupying. So decomposition process is initiated under the water. Plants and some of the organisms are undergo the death. So bacteria increasing in that place. Oxygen also percentage is decreasing, carbon dioxide is increasing. All the effect leads to the, suppose in the water, if the fishes are there, these fishes it undergo the death. And water, aquatic it leads to the death. So because of what? Eutrophication. Eutrophication. So eutrophication, it is a consequent effect. Okay. So the increasing of this phosphorus nitrogens because of this wastewater. So algal formation is take place. Algal formation is take place, and algae decomposition is initiated. Decomposition to bacteria, increasing bacteria to here consequently there is a what we call as there is a carbon dioxide level is increasing. So this aquatic animal will reach to the death. Okay, this is about the eutrophication in simple way and a very important topic. Okay, eutrophication.